So I'm back with a continuation of the fall pumpkin series here, creating with Dollar Tree products. Now, I showed you that I used this, and usually this sort of stuff would glue everything down great, but it didn't. It did not. So I am going to have to go with the notion that this is old, so I am going to force myself to discard this so I don't make that mistake again. And it did not give me the finish that I wanted. That was me throwing it in the trash can. So it has a very, very, very matte finish. I think I am going to get that beacon glue and do some more gluing. And then what I'll do is I will close this book with something heavy on top, and then that way it will stick. All right, that's a little better. So I'm going to get my annoying wax paper and put it over that. Close my book until tomorrow. Put some heavy stuff on it. That should help. What else do I have that's heavy? This is very heavy. There you go. It's just a container with stuff in it. All right, ladies and gentlemen and children of all ages, I'll be back. It is the next day, and I took off that heavy thing I had on my book. So now it looks like everything is down. I am going to give this a coat of gloss medium. This one is golden. So I am giving this a coat of gloss medium. Actually, I think I wasn't recording before, so I already did it, but I'm going to tell you what I did. So I'm using gloss medium by Golden, and you can use Mod Podge. They do have Mod Podge at Dollar Tree. I don't care for Mod Podge because it's not humid now, but when it is humid, Mod Podge stays tacky. And if there's one thing you do not want, is you do not want your pages to be tacky, because when you close your pages, they will stick. Now, I had to take my leaf, the pumpkin leaf, and cut it at an angle, and I'm lining it up right where it belongs, giving it a coat of the gloss medium. The gloss medium does dry pretty fast, so I do have to give it a few minutes. So I am going to do some house chores, and I'll be back. I need to ponder a little bit. I have it in my head, but I gotta get it on the page. This looks marvelous. This is exactly what I wanted. The sealer gave it a nice finish. Need to add some color to the back. I think I am going to go with some orange. Made myself remember I need to use acrylics. So I have the Deco Art. This is called Bright Orange. Do I want something this bright? I don't know. But because this has a real shiny finish to it, if I put it on, and I am using a dry brush this time, if I put it on and I don't like the way it looks, guess what? I can wipe it off, but I am liking it. So just use a dry brush and just drag it out. You don't need a lot. Actually, you need very little. So if you remember the seam that I had to use that masking tape on, That is not even going to be noticeable. Oh yeah. So looking at the monitor, I can see better where I have the paints. Well, all right. I am going to give that a quick dry. Nice and dry. I am going to do some shading around the outside of the pumpkin. Now, it does take practice, but you can do it. I know you can do it.